Hi, I'm Jess and I'm going to show you how to clean your tiles. This product I have here is more for everyday use, but we're going to show you how to do a deep and thorough clean and bring your tiles back to life. To do a deep and thorough clean of your tiles, the products we're going to need are a broom, a mop, a bucket with some warm water, a scourer for those tough to get spots, a heavy duty tile cleaner. When using this product, make sure you have your gloves and glasses. Our first step is to sweep the tiles to get rid of any dirt and dust on the surface. If you're cleaning wall tiles, say in the bathroom or kitchen, use a microfibre cloth. This gets rid of any dirt and dust sitting on the surface of your tiles. A lot of people don't realise before using a heavy duty tile cleaner, it's a good idea to mop down your floors with some warm water. This will help to protect your grout. It's now time to add the tile cleaner to your bucket of warm water. Don't forget, when using a heavy duty tile cleaner, to make sure you wear gloves and glasses to protect yourself. Make sure you follow the instructions on the back of your tile cleaner. For this product we're using, it says to add 1 part tile cleaner to 10 parts water. For any tough marks on your floor, choose a scourer that's suitable for your tiles, pop it in the solution and scrub the tiles. To finish off, we're going to mop down our floors with some warm water. To make it easier, use an S motion and keep your back straight at all times. And now we're done. Avoid walking on your tiles until they're dry. To maintain your tiles and keep them looking fresh, make sure you mop regularly.